Oh yeah, I click on this thing. Bam, and we're going live. What? Whoa, no, don't enable that. Okay. Hello, everyone. Bam. It's in the chat. Hi. Hi, my name is Mr. Jengis from CodeSpeak Labs. Ooh, let me make that a little bit bigger. Oh, that's too big. Okay. Hello, coders. Mr. Jengis here from CodeSpeak Labs. Boom. Boom. Cool. Okay. All right. And let me do this in a different text. And friends, today we are creating a snowing animation. Snowing animation in Scratch, yes. And you might look outside, depending on where you are in the world right now. But if you look outside, and I look outside, and there is a lot of snow. So I thought for today's coding live stream, we can do a snowing animation, which sounds easy, which might sound easy, but it is not, because we also have to think about each little droplet. We also have to think about the wind, and we have to think about all kinds of things in nature to simulate reality. Hi, Raven. Hi, Chanel. How you all doing? Hi, Angel. Hi, all. How you all doing? And I'm wondering, how are you keeping warm? How are you keeping warm? But I am in a hot planet. My house, my apartment is super hot, so I feel like I'm in Hawaii right now. All I need is some beach stuff. Actually, guys, let me put on the music before we get any further. Go to control, but go to sound, add a sound in here. You don't need to do this with me, guys. I'm just gonna make some music in here. I'll do that. Oh yeah, I like that one. And I'll put a techno play sound and click on green flag. Okay. Can I get rid of this thing? Okay. All right, guys. Hello, everyone. Mr. Jengis here. If you just joined in, hi, Tyler. And today we are creating a snowing animation in Scratch. So before I move ahead, friends, please like and subscribe and check out our other videos on YouTube. So yeah, we have a lot of videos about Scratch. Oh, is that too loud? We have a lot of videos about Scratch. Thanks, Angel, for liking and subbing in our channel. You can check out our other videos about Scratch, about Python, JavaScript. We teach about all kinds of different languages. But they're all the same at the end of the day. They're all coding languages. So please like and subscribe. And you can code with me. You can code with me by going to Scratch. Scratch.mit.edu. You can sign in if you want. I don't know. And if you have an account, you can sign in and save your work. If you don't have an account, you can just go ahead and click create. Or not. Yeah, or not. You can just watch along too. Sorry if my face is in there right now, but yeah. So friends, yes, you don't have to code along with me, but if you want to, you can go to scratch.mit.edu and code along with me. Or you can just watch. Yeah, Angel, you can just watch if you want to. You can do other stuff while I'm doing this. And friends, we are creating we will make it snow. Yes, we've done make it rain before. Maybe you guys remember, it's the apple falling, things falling from the sky. Yes, which is really, really useful. But in this case, I want to kind of simulate. I want to simulate nature. So I want to simulate how it snows outside, thinking about the wind and such things. You want it to snow? I like snow. Yes, if you like snow. Angel, why do you like snow? I wonder why do you like snow? And friends, what simulate means, we do this a lot in coding. All right, okay. What it means is to replicate reality, which means to make a copy of it, make a realistic copy of it. It might be believable, it might not be, depends on how well you code it. All right, guys, I'm starting. Am I starting? Yes, I'm starting. So let's start this with typical way. Make a snow background. And friends, you can make a snow background by clicking on the little dot right here at the very, very bottom of the screen. At the very, very bottom right, you'll see like a button that has it's kind of hard to see with the logo there. Let me move this here and put an arrow to it. Yeah, boom, boom. That's a giant arrow right there and pointing towards that button. That is the button to make a snow background, everyone. So you can click on that and try to find a snow background in there. Guys, I'm gonna stop the music. Cool. Too much snow. Angel says, cause I like to do a snowball fight. Have you guys done that? You put, I don't know, it's kind of mean, but it is a good prank. You put a rock into a giant snowball and you throw it at somebody and they think it's a snowball, but it's actually a rock in there. Yeah, I've done that once. Yes. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and make a backdrop as well. That's mean. Yes, it is really mean. But it would be a tiny rock. So that it doesn't hurt anyone. Okay, alright, so friends, I'm gonna make a snow background. This is called the snow slopes. There are other ones, like this one. There's another one. Oh yeah, winter. There's another one like this. These are acceptable backgrounds for snow. Or there's also just the Arctic. Bam. Bam. But it might not be snowing in the Arctic. I'm gonna choose that last one, winter. I like this one. Cool. And there's a sprite, a specific sprite that we need, and it's called the snowflake. Where is that one? Snow. Snowflake right here. So friends, choose snowflake. Oh wow, these things came back. Choose a snowflake sprite. And friends, you're gonna do that by clicking right here at the very bottom towards the right. Next to that background button is another button to make a new character. Boom, right there. So you'll need a backdrop with snow in it, and you'll need a snowflake. Yes, Chanel, it's way too big. Yes, it is way too big. Guys, look at this. Oh, sorry. I don't know what happened. Okay, here we go. We got the snowflake right here, but it's huge, right? Snowflakes are usually much smaller. So to do that, I'm gonna grab this block right here. Sometimes, sometimes, friends, we get really big sprites and we can change them, change their size here. That's one way to change it, right? So you can change the size there, but you can also add a block called set size 2. Boom, it's called set size 2. And you can kind of put in numbers in here and click on a green flag to see that size. I'm gonna put 10, and then click on the green flag. Now it's way smaller. Do you guys even see that? Yeah, it's right there. I mean, you can make it a 1000, and click on the green flag, and now it's a giant, huge snowflake. I'm gonna keep mine at 10, everyone. I'm gonna keep mine at 10. And friends, I'm also going to hide it. Yeah. All right, I gotta think about this a little bit. Let's make a forever loop after that. And inside the forever loop, I'm gonna put a block called create a clone of myself. We've done this many times. Creating a clone makes a copy of the original. It's not the same, but it's not the original, but it's a copy of it. So it looks exactly like it, it acts exactly like it. But with this way, we don't need to make 1,000 sprites. We can make 1,000 clones of one sprite. And we're gonna make a clone every second. We're gonna make a clone of this thing every second. Cool. All right. And when I start as a clone, show. Okay. I'll do a pause right here. So what we did, we set the size. Let me make my thing a little smaller. Set size, make, or let's say make snow smaller, and also hide it. So the original snowflake never is seen. We will never see the original snowflake, but every second we'll get a clone. Yeah, so every second we're gonna see a clone. And when it starts as a clone, it's gonna show. Because originally, remember, it's hidden. The original snowflake is hidden. All right. Oh, wow. All right, everyone. Hello. Hi. Today we're making it snow in case you just joined in. Today we're making it snow on Scratch. So we'll think about wind and stuff like that. And I am Mr. Jengis from CodeSpeak Labs. If you just joined in, please like and subscribe. It would mean the world to us. So at the bottom of this video, you'll see a thumbs up thing. Yeah, click on it. Yeah. Where did you get the 1 second? Oh, great question. All of these blocks are inside forever. Wait 1 second is the first block in control. Wait 1 second is the first block in control. Thank you, Angel, for asking your question. And I want to bring this up to everybody else. Everyone, if you have a question, go ahead and ask your questions here. Or let me know, am I going too fast? Am I going too slow? I would really appreciate any feedback. Okay. So when it starts as a clone, it will show. All the clone blocks, friends, are at the very bottom of control. So I'm inside control still. And at the very, very bottom, before I go to sensing, you can find the clone block. So in there, you can find when I start as a clone, the create a clone of myself, and delete this clone, which we might not need in this project. So we might crash our project today. Okay. All right. Next up. I'm gonna add a forever. So friends, I have not done this before, full disclosure. So I'm trying to find a way for the snowflake to fall, sure. And let's do a set Y. And oh, yes, and also go to random position. Okay. Let's try this out. Awesome. I have some falling objects that are falling from the sky. If you guys can't see it, let me show it to you big, big, big. These are falling objects. So when you click on run, when you have this code, you should get these falling objects, which is great. But snow doesn't fall like that. Snow kind of, you know, floats to the right and to the left and to the right and to the left. So we're gonna code that in later on. But first, friends, let's do this part. Yes, go to random position and set Y to 250. Chanel, you're gonna find that inside motion, but towards the bottom. Yeah, towards the bottom, there's a thing called set Y2. Set Y2. Ooh, that is huge. Set Y2. And you need to put in the number in there yourself. Let me do it this way, everyone. I'll point to them. Let me take this to the left a little bit. This is to the right. All the blue blocks. All the blue blocks are in motion. You got it, Angel. Yes. So I want you guys to take your time and try to find those blocks. On your own. That is the best way you can find it. But I'll tell you about some common bugs. Make sure that it says set Y to. Make sure that it says set Y. So friends, be sure that you have set Y to 250 in there. And I can make this a little bit bigger too, right? Ooh. So right here, make sure that you have set Y to. I'll underline that to you as well. On top of that, you have to write in 250 in there yourself. Yes. And on the left side, you'll see my annotations. Go to random position is right here. Set Y2 is right here. And change Y by is right above that. I could like number match those, huh? And inside the forever also make sure it says change Y by. We're only changing Y by, everyone. We're only changing Y by. And you can kind of see it still, right? Maybe I should move it a bit more. Oops. Yes, Chanel, no worries. Jaylene, no worries. Try to find these blocks on your own. You will have time. You will have time. Or should I show you where to find them? Maybe I can show it to you this way. This one goes right there. This one goes right there. And this one goes right there. Does that help? Oof. Actually, no. Bam. Bam. Yours is going up. Ah, really good point there, Raven. Raven, really good point. Make sure it is minus 10. Show is inside looks. Show is inside looks. How did it go, friends? Were you able to find it? Were you able to find these blocks? And in the meantime, I'm just kind of seeing when my program will crash. Because I think it will crash at some point. At least I'm pretty sure. when we are done, like what time? Oh, friends, remember at the end we will have a Kahoot. It's past 50 right now. We will have a Kahoot at the last 15 minutes, let's say. And yes, I do have a new Kahoot for you this time. Last time I think it was the same as the week before. Okay, we will have a new Kahoot at the last 15 minutes, and the live stream is for 1 hour. So depending on your time, if you started at 6:30, we'll end at 7:30. All right, okay. Friends, I'm gonna try and do this along one more time. Oh, Angel, I don't know if we can do Among Us, but we can do Kahoot, yeah. So, friends, where do I find all the purple blocks? If you go to looks... Ooh. Oh. Somebody's honking outside. Okay. Oh no. Am I gonna lose all my code? Wait. Oh no! I might lose all my code, everyone, because I didn't sign in, one. And because I made so many clones, Scratch crashed. And it says page unresponsive. I'm just gonna say exit page. Let's not even try. I'll go to Scratch again. And this time, friends, I'm gonna sign in so that my work will save. And I'll click on create. I lost all my code. Yes, it happened. I lost all my code. Has this ever happened to you? Yes, friends, coding can be frustrating. Can be frustrating. Just keep calm and don't throw your laptop off the window. Just keep calm, take a deep breath, and oh yeah, Jaylene, I saved my username and password, so yeah. Anna Chan, it has never happened to you? You never lost your code? Raven, never happened to you? Really? No, I can't. I lost it entirely, Jaylene, yeah. I lost all of my code just now. Okay, I'm gonna rebuild it really quickly. So friends, if you just came in, that's awesome because I'm starting all over again. And friends, you can go one by one with what I'm doing and check if you did the right things as well. Especially if you clicked on green flag and you don't see snow falling. Ooh. And you don't see snow falling, then you might need to check your work by going along with me one by one. So I'm gonna use a backdrop that has like a snow backdrop. And in the sprite library is a little sprite called Snowflake. Where is that snowflake? Snowflake, oh there we go. A huge snowflake. Check that out. Jaylene is like, oh yay! Yeah, Jaylene, since you just joined in. Okay. When green flag is clicked, we're gonna make this thing set size to 10%. So this set size block, when you click on a green flag, it changes the size of the sprite. You can do 100, you can do 200% if you want, and click on a green flag, and now it's a huge snowflake. I'm gonna keep mine at 10%. And I found this from looks. Set size to 100% is what it originally said, and I changed it to 10%. Next, under set size to 100% are the show and hide blocks. If you go a little bit below, it's a show and hide. We're gonna use both. Let's put show to the side a little bit, and let's add the hide to this code. We're gonna use show in a different code later on. Okay, I go to forever, from control, and inside control, at the very bottom of control, are these blocks called create clone of myself. All the clone blocks, you can find them in here. Then we're gonna also use this block when I start as a clone, and we'll put this right here. When I start as a clone, show, Yes, Jalen, it's the code for the snowflake. There are 2 codes. I'm doing the first one, and I think we're doing the second one. We're gonna need both of them eventually. Okay. When I started as a clone, show. Okay. And wait 1 second is the first block inside control. And I can put it in there. Bam. Yeah, Jaylene. Go slow! Yeah, okay. 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 Next, after this show, we're gonna make the snowflake go to a random place. And then wherever it is, go to the very top. So inside motion is this block called go to random position, which makes it go to a random position. Just this code is kind of cool. Just this code on its own, this happens. Oh. Oh, do you guys see it? Every second you'll see a snowflake at a random place. Every second you see them popping up in random places. But we don't want them to be popping up at random places. We want them to be popping up at random places at the top. To do that, we're going to use a set y2. Set y2. Set y to 250. Okay. And then inside the forever, I'm going to add a forever here. Inside that forever, we'll change y by a negative number, friends. So you need to change y by, let's say, -10. And the common bugs in this code are the change set y to 250. Make sure it's 250 in there and it's set y to. And change y by negative number is another common bug in there. Let's check it out. Are you guys ready for this? Oops. Oh. So I click on a green flag and you can see these snowflakes falling from the sky. But they're falling really fast. They're falling super, super fast. How can we change that? How can we make them fall slower? How can we make them fall slower? Sienna's like, whoa. Hi, Sienna. Yes, guys, you're gonna set y to, oops, set y to 250. Make sure it's set y to, and change y by -10. Jaylene, I'm waiting. Do you have a question? Angel, change. Wait 1 second. Yeah, Sienna, you could do that. Or, I mean, okay. Sienna, that is a great point. Friends, can you look over at my screen? I wouldn't do this if it wasn't really interesting. This is gonna be really interesting. Let me zoom out a little bit and remove all of these things. What if, let me write it in here. Oh, can you guys see that still? Yeah. What if I remove wait 1 second? So if you remove that wait 1 second, you'll see that the thing becomes super, super fast. Let me click on stop sign before it crashes. And it crashed. Yeah. It crashed again. What if I remove 1 second? What if I remove 1 second? This is what happens. We get so many of those little things. But friends, that's okay. I think it's back now. But we can check it out. I click on the green flag. This is without the wait 1 second. So it's super, super fast. Before it crashes, I'm gonna click on stop. So if you want to make it wait 5 seconds, it'll be less snows. There's one. 5 seconds later, there's gonna be another one. Boom. And then, oh yeah, Sienna says, I thought people made the computer so it doesn't crash. Yeah, they tried. They tried to make a computer that doesn't crash. but they couldn't. Yes, I'm also known as the crasher. Not because I crash parties, but because I crash computers. Angel says yours crashed. Great, Angel. Wear that as a badge. My computer crashed. I made my computer crash. Yeah. Yeah, Angel says mine crashed. Happens. It totally happens. So we're gonna make it so that it doesn't crash eventually. But that wait 1 second makes it so that it doesn't crash. At least 1 second. If it's less than 1 second, then it begins to crash really fast. But you can do 5 seconds, 10 seconds if you want less snow. Yes, Sienna. Because always we try to make programs that are more and more complicated so the computer is not able to catch up with us. Chanel says, mine does not crash. Chanel, you say that now, but it might. Or Angel, you're back? Okay, all right. So this block right here makes it so that your computer doesn't crash. Maybe that's something that you want in your project. Can you guys even see that? Yeah, I think you can see that. Okay, we have some snow. Congratulations. But what does snow do when it comes down? Does it just fall to the floor or does it make a pile? Yes, Sienna, you can pick any number. Yeah, you can pick any number here. Any number more than 1 in here. You can pick any number more than 1 in there. Yeah, so snow kind of piles up on top of each other. What I want to do here is, if it's touching a snowflake, then get on top of it. Yes, I'm gonna make a huge pile, and let's see how it piles up, kind of. Okay, how am I gonna show this? Let me zoom out a little bit. Oops. So what I'm gonna do, friends, I'm gonna add some more code into this one, inside the forever. Let's go to control and add an if right here. How are we all doing? How is that looking? Let me put this side, and this that side, and then this one this side. Okay. Whew, okay. All right. Jalen, is it snowing where you are? Yes, it's in New York, friends. It is snowing like crazy. And there's a huge pile outside. Hi, Jacob. Okay. What the snowflake clone is doing is it's going down, 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 down. But if it touches another snowflake, if touching, how can I do this? I'm trapped. I want to make it so that if touching, color. I could do that. Awesome. Okay. All right. Let's do it that way. There's a block in here called if touching color. Let's put that inside the if. Okay. Remember, friends, we have all these. Let me stop this for a second. And remember, friends, I have all these snowflakes falling from the sky. They're beautiful. It's amazing. And what I want to do is, if a clone touches something of that color. So I'm going to click on this color right here. Oh, first of all, let me explain this. Yes. This is a strange block, friends. It means if the snowflake touches any color, then it will stay. It will do something at least. So you can click on that color and then click on that eye droplet and then select the color that you want. I want that blue of the snowflake. Okay? If that's the case, if you're touching that color, then change y by 0. Let's see. Let's see if this is gonna work. I'll put it on this to the side. This is the code that I have so far, guys. This is what I have so far. And it seems to be falling. Ooh. Let me change this number then. Let me make this 10 and let's try this again. Friends, I'm gonna need to experiment a little bit, so I'm gonna run some tests on this block. Is it working? Nope. Oh man, I think I'm gonna give up that part. I don't know if we can make a pile of it. It's touching another snowflake. Let me try it this way, guys. I'll remove this code. Friends, remove this code. And let's add a change x by in here. Change y by -10. And immediately, when you put this block in here, Jaylene, check this out. Okay, so it's 2 blocks, okay? One is change y by -10. Oops. Change y by -10. The other one is change x by regular 10. Let me put that a bit more low. Change x by regular 10. And when you do that, this happens. Do you guys see the snow falling like sideways? Yeah. So we can make this kind of a wind effect in there. I'm gonna click on delete all of my annotations, and inside the 10, let's put a random number. Let's make the computer decide on what the wind level is gonna be. So inside operators is a block called pick random 1 to 10. Put that in. Put that in the change x by. Now let's pick a random number between -2 and 2. When you do that, you can kind of see it. The snow is falling. Let me make it a bit slower too. -5. The snow is falling like a left and right a little bit. What we can do is change that number up even more. All right, friends, I'm gonna do something in here. It's a bit advanced, but I want you guys to try it out. First, I'm gonna grab this multiplication sign and put it inside the first bubble of pick random and add a -1. Yes. And I'm gonna go to variables, yes, to make a variable called wind. All right, so this is the advanced portion of today's lesson. I make a variable called wind and put it inside the bubble right here. So -1 times wind to wind. Wind is 0 right now. Now let me make that wind a slider readout. So you see the wind variable here. If you right click on it, or if you're on a Chromebook, if you do a 2-finger click on it, you can choose the slider. And with the slider, you can decide on the wind. Look at that, this is a storm. Whoa. Wow, it's a big storm. All right, okay. Now, friends, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna duplicate this, and then duplicate it again. I have 4 of the same sprites now. 4 of the same snowflakes. And when I click on the green flag, I get so much more snowflakes. Look at all these snowflakes falling and in the wind. I can bring it down a little bit. And you can choose what the maximum and minimum value of the slider range can be by right-clicking on that wind and clicking on change slider range. Minimum value, let's keep it at 0. Maximum value, let's keep that at 10 instead of 100. Okay, now I'm gonna try this out. I have these snowflakes falling. Nice. All right. look at that snowflakes. Those are awesome snowflakes. I wonder when the computer will crash. And meantime, I can show you all of the code over here. The green blocks are inside operators, everyone. The green blocks are inside operators. Oh, okay. Wait, there's an anime club? Yes, Jaylene, I just showed some really, really advanced code. But remember, everyone, this... Oh. Oh, wow, I have all these colors in you? Cool. This live stream is recorded. Yes, you can always check. You can always check out the recording to see how we did it. Right? So you can always go to that recording and see how we did it. And friends, if you want to learn how to make variables and make pick random and be able to use multiplication symbols in programming, you can check out our videos. Please like and subscribe, everyone. Please like and subscribe for more videos, everyone. Great. Okay. All right, friends. Last thing I'm gonna do is share this project, and I can put the link into the chat. So you're gonna go to http scratch.mit.edu/projects/482604408. Check out the example project and please like. Oh, Sienna's like, wait, what about Kahoot? What Kahoot? What Kahoot? Were we supposed to have a Kahoot today? What? Nice. And friends, I'm gonna call this project snowing simulation. Just click green flag and change the wind. We need Kahoot! And friends, as always, please, you can comment and like this project in here, but you might need to be signed in to be able to comment on the project. And Sienna's like, we need Kahoot! Yes, Jaylene, everyone, like the video! Like the video! And so far we have 9 likes, but 11 viewers. So we have 2 people who haven't liked yet. What's going on? I'm joking. You can like this video or not. Your feedback means so much to me. So please be honest with your feedback, guys. All right, we have a Kahoot coming up. All right. Okay, this Kahoot is not easy. I have to tell you. Let me do this change right here to Kahoot. Okay, all right. Oh, where's the sound? Yeah, okay, that's better. And let me do a disco music in here. All right, friends. Today's Kahoot is not easy. I will get you all this time. And friends, today's Kahoot is about technology. Right. Maybe I can put this up here. I'll just put it here. All right. A cool code, okay. Caden is here. No, Don't Get Us is here. And also Stephanie is here. Okay. MHA is here. Yeah, I see, and you can put any name. Angel Miss is here. Yeah, somebody is, no, don't get us. Ah, I will get you. I just love this music, man. Is this it? Is this everyone? MHA, that's an anime reference? Okay, I need to watch more anime, you guys. More anime. And Jonas with a smiley face emoji is here. Any suggestions? I've only watched One Punch Man. Demon Slayer, My Hero Academia. I like that one. But I love One Punch Man. One Punch! Okay, is this all? Is this all of us? Are you ready to get started with this Kahoot? I've heard a lot about Attack on Titan. I've heard that it's very philosophical and very deep. Hunter x Hunter? First time I'm hearing. Wow. Plus Danganronpa. Okay. I think I'll pick a random one of those and start watching it. Oh wow. Okay, is this all of us? Jonas is here. Angel Miss, Jaylene, MHA, the cool coder, Kaden, no, don't get us, and Stephanie is here. Anybody else? Jacob, are you in? Yes. Jacob, I'm looking at you. And friends, remember, to these Kahoot games, you can invite your friends, you can invite your family members, your grown-ups in the house. They can join this Kahoot as well. Grown-ups don't do well in the Kahoots. It's interesting. Grown-ups actually do worse than most of my students. Oh. Okay, all right, guys. I have to get started. We're gonna. Oh, April. Okay, April just joined in. Jay just joined in. Okay. Wow. All right, we have 10 people on. All right, so friends, I'm gonna get started soon. This is a Kahoot about technology. It's not easy, and I will try to get you this time. Oh, and remember, friends, I do the live streams every Tuesday. Rain or shine. Yes. Or snow. All right, I'm gonna get started in 3, 2, 1, and 0. Oh, Sienna, 3:30 p.m. PT or 6:30 ET, so Eastern time. But if you go to our YouTube page, you can always see the reminders in there every week. Oh, nice, Sienna, thank you. Okay, I'm clicking on start. Bam. Okay, you're gonna see the question on my screen, and you'll have to answer on Kahoot. You can go to Kahoot.it and join with pin 3463788. All right, friends. The Atari video game Pong came out in what year? This is considered to be one of the first video games ever, and look at the graphics on it. Look at the graphics on it. You got 2 paddles, you got a ball. It even tells you the score. It was a crazy game at the time. Easy? Really? Is it 1982, 1972, 1992, or 1962? 1972. Really good, friends. Yes, 1972 was when this game was invented by Atari, but actually the original was invented much longer ago. Oh wow, did your dad play this? No. Did your dad have an Atari? The Atari was the best. Okay. All right, let's see the scoreboard so far. Caden is doing great. April, MHA, Cool Coder, Stephanie. All right, you guys are all doing great. Okay, the first Apple computer was born on what significant date in 1976? This is the Apple computer right here. The first Apple computer. It was wooden, believe it or not. And January 1st, did it come out? Or April 15th, Income Tax Day? Was it April 1st, April Fool's Day? Or was it July 4th, the Independence Day? Oh, he's old. I'm old too. Hey, Sienna. Okay. This music is so tense. Oh, thanks. Thanks, Sienna. Most of you got this right. I can't believe it. Most of you got this right. Yes, this computer, if you can call it a computer, came out on April 1st, on April Fool's Day. They wanted to make a joke like that. Oh, April is first now, Stephanie second, MHA third, Jay fourth, and Caden on the 5th place. Guys, we still have much more questions left, and a lot of things can change. Which of the following is not a live communication? Meaning, you're not expecting a response right away. You send somebody a hi, and they send you a hi much later or anytime they want to. Which one is not a live communication? So is it chat? Or is it IM? Otherwise known as instant messaging? Is it email? Or is it texting? Which one of these choices is not a live communication? Good. Okay, yes. Email was the correct answer. It's not a live communication. You can send an email to someone and they can respond whenever they want. IM stands for instant messaging, which means any kind of chat, any kind of like WhatsApp, for example. Okay. Stephanie, MHA, Jay, April, and then Jaylene. All right. Jay, you are on fire, by the way. Which of the following is not an iPod that Apple has released? So Apple has released a lot of iPods. iPods are these little music players that only play music, nothing else. They might have done some other things. But which one of these is not an iPod that Apple has released? Is it the iPod Mini? Is it the iPod Nano? Is it iPod Shuffle? Or is it iPod Vision? Jalen, your brother is in the game? How is he doing? Is it your little brother or your older brother? Okay. Does your little brother even know what an iPod is? Has he heard of an iPod? Oh wow, yes, I got you guys on this one. iPod Vision. Yes, iPod Vision was never a thing, but these were all the music players that Apple used to send out. You could put your music in there, you could put some songs in there and listen to it. Most of them did not connect to the internet. Okay, MHA, you are on fire. And you're at first place. Stephanie second, Jay third, April fourth, and Cool Coder is at 5th, okay? Which of the following is not an image file? Which of the following is not an image file? Is it JPEG, GIF, temp, or BMP? And friends, if you don't know, take a wild guess. I'm really trying to stump you guys on this Kahoot. Sienna, you have an iPod? Wow. TMP, yeah, temp. That's a temporary file. JPEG is an image file. GIF or GIF is the animated images. And BMP, I have not used that before, I think. Yeah. If you have an iPod, friends, it might be a good item to send it to a museum. Museums are accepting old devices like that as well. MHA, you are still on fire. Just FYI. Which of the following file extensions is not an audio file format? Which one of the following is not an audio file format? Is it an MP3, AIF, a WAV, or a COM? I'm wondering what happened to my iPod. The moment I got a smartphone, I think I threw it away. Okay, you guys got this one. Yes, COM is not an audio file format. I think it's referring to .com like websites. Whoa, Cool Coder, you are on fire. Stephanie just jumped out the first place. MHA is now second, Caden fourth, and Jaylene is at fifth. Ooh. 2 more questions left. What does LOL stand for? LOL. What does it stand for? Does it stand for log off laptop? Does it stand for laughing out loud? Does it stand for lack of laughter? Or does it stand for lag on laptop? Yeah, I figured I should add one easy question. Maybe. Laughing out loud is a correct answer. Yes, LOL stands for laughing out loud. And sometimes people say, instead of laughing, they just say, oh, lol, to say that they are laughing out loud. Whoa. The Cool Coder is on fire, still at second place. MHA just started at third, but they're very, very close. Stephanie's at first, Caden at fourth, April at fifth. Okay. All right, friends. This is the last question. Last question coming up. Who is the founder of Apple computers? Yes. Who is the founder of Apple computers? Is it Bill Gates? Is it Steve Jobs? Is it David Packard? Or is it Bill Hewlett? Oh no, I clicked the wrong one. Jaylene, we're out of time. We're out of time, but I have prepared another one for next week. Remember, friends, every Tuesday at this time we'll have a live stream where you can code with me. Yes, Steve Jobs is the correct answer. Steve Jobs, seen right here, was the founder of Apple computers long time ago. And all those things like iPhone, iPad, iPod, he was at the forefront of inventing those. And Stephanie is right. Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft. Also a really cool person who's doing amazing things for the world right now. Okay. All right, everyone. That's going to be it for today. And next week, I'll have a different Kahoot plan for you all. And I haven't decided on what to do yet. But I want to see what I can do for next week's project. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Bye, everyone. Oh, Angel, yes, of course. Sorry, I completely forgot. Let's check out the podium. All right, before we go. Third place is MHA. Congratulations, MHA. Second place is Cool Coder. Congratulations. And first place goes to Stephanie. Congrats. And April and Jaylene follow on fourth and fifth place. Jaylene, you got on the scoreboard. Yes. Great job, everyone. How did the adults do, by the way? Hi, Yareli. Good game. Hi, Yareli. Okay, everyone. That's gonna be it for this week. I'll see you all next week. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Okay, look right here.